Let's do a really fun segment. It's called Confessions with Shreya Pilgaonkar.
God,
Are you
I'm
ready to
scared.
confess?
Oh
Though
my
the rest of the
God.
interview has been a confessional, I must say. I feel
shit.
like I'm the cop and she's being interrogated. She's been, interrogated.
Will you know if I'm lying?
Yeah.
Really?
I would know. I would know.
Okay.
Because you'll tell me later.
I'll tell you.
worst lie. Okay, so confessions. So, ever been made to feel lesser than you are?
Yes, but I've not felt it.
Amazing. Ever said no to a project and repented it?
No. No, strangely.
No.
No, actually not repented. Not repented. And sometimes you actually feel a little good, huh? Thank God, okay, I didn't do it, it's bad. I'll tell you, recently there was a show that I was asked for and it was not a good part at all. And everyone said you should do it. But then I said, no, I don't have a good feeling about it and I'm really glad I didn't do it.
Ever look at a poster on the highway and think that you should have been there just for a second, like imagined yourself in it?
100%.
Hannah?
I would have loved to audition for Hira Mandi. I watched Hira Mandi and I felt I would have been so good.
Ever had to downplay your intelligence as a woman?
I would never do that.
Thank you.
ये कैसी परवरिश?
Okay, that's downplay. Ever had to upplay your sexuality?
Yes.
Yeah,
You
no?
have to be smart about it.
Yeah. What's your take on item numbers? I've never asked you this question in my life. I want to know, Shreya Pilgaonkar, would you do an item number, the way it's called an item number? Because I feel like just the way it's called that makes me question a lot of things.
100% yes. If it was Chikni Chameli, I would do it. I love it. I think you need to have a skill set to do an item number. It's not easy. You have to... item number, let's keep the name aside.
Correct.
But I think it's so sexy to see how incredibly, some of these iconic songs have been performed. I love it and I'm dying to dance on screen and I haven't had that opportunity. So I'm really considering like posting reels now because...
Why not?
Exactly. I don't know.
Because she's a damn good dancer, okay?
But I just haven't done it and here I'm expecting somebody to give me a part where I get to do that.
Yeah, but how? They have to see you dance.
I really want to and
We have established that the imagination of the industry is zero right now. So,
But see, I did this in Dry Day, I had my Holi song and I had so much fun. मतलब मुझे इतनी खुशी हुई ना to just be like I love it.
I love it. I love it.
मतलब आप कितना
Also,
भी
we grew up
रूटेड
like
रियलिटी पार्ट्स करो कितना भी करो
हो ही जाता है
मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो दुपट्टा स्लिप हो जाए मेरे चेहरे से
Okay. Ask for more money.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How does that happen?
What do you mean? You just ask for more money. What do you mean? If you want to, I mean, you have to see many factors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ask for more money and got it.
Yes, recently.
Yeah, baby. Well done.
It was the first time in my life where I can't believe I'm saying this, it's because for the first time in my life where I was tired of downplaying
Thank you.
that. I said, no, I deserve it. I will not do it if it's not this amount. And don't make me feel bad about it because I'm not being unreasonable at all. Because you understand, I would never say it for the sake of it damaging the producer in any way, let me tell you. But agents understand. And I was mentally prepared to lose it, but I said, I'm sorry. I know what I'll bring to the table. I would like it. And I got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing, because now we'll go more holidays. Okay. One thing that you need on a set that you're shooting on. Like this is Shreya Pilgaonkar rider. तेरे rider पे क्या है? मखाना. खुद लेके आया यार मखाना.
What do I need on a set? Actually, there's nothing fancy. I carry what I need. There's nothing fancy that one would need. But yes, when you're shooting Garmi mein, you need that anaconda, you need some AC or you're melting.
Okay.
But it doesn't mean that tomorrow if I'm in a space जहाँ पे नहीं है, I'll be like, I'm not shooting. ऐसा नहीं होगा.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
But
I need to munch on things.
Snacks
मुझे snacks चाहिए.
इनका snacks चाहिए. Is it in your rider? Is there a weird thing on your rider?
There is, I think, just to be cool, I need a weird thing on my rider, which I feel is important to establish sort of...
Can I make a suggestion?
Please.
Just ask for peeled, soaked almonds. Overnight soaked almonds peeled.
I can't trust where these almonds are coming from.
So you will
I
not
can't
eat it?
trust. No, I mean, I carry my own stuff.
अरे इसको देखो
Yeah.
ये डब्बा लेके जाती
मैं
है
डब्बा
set
लेके
में.
जाती हूँ सेट पे.
Shreya,
डब्बा लेके जाती
I think my analysis of you after all of this
Is
is that you're too real.
I shouldn't be real.
This is the problem, girl. This
So
is
I
the
have to
problem.
correct. So I have to stop being real now.
Please.
No taking dabbas. Order everything with truffle.
Yeah.
No matter where I am.
Yeah.
I need to be the person who.
Edamame and truffle. and-
That's what I had this afternoon.
Oh really? She's already kind of making steps.
A
guys.
little bit.
This is amazing.
Just to feel me, just to feel